So here's part two. What the key thing that's missing out of all this is the fact that information controls everything, and the information coats all of the things that we call particles everywhere because it coats the compartments of space. Space itself is discrete or quantized. It actually is a foam. So the compartments of space are coated with information. The information contains both the algorithms and data. So the algorithms contain how to control the forces that we see around us, control them. So when we hear stories of mystics that through deep meditation can levitate, what they're doing is reaching out and to use the information to control their weight, to lift them up. They're not actually lifting themselves up. They're controlling the gravity that they encounter, and this makes all the difference in the world. So what's a key thing that's missing that has to be included in this extended standard model is information. Now, information makes up what we would call the collective unconsciousness that's all around us, that controls, that manages everything. And this is what, in fact, interacts outside of these dimensions. It reaches out and can go everywhere instantly because if I step outside, then I can see everything and I say, I want to go over there. At that time, at that point in space, zip, I go there. So information controls everything, and this is missing. Has to be included. And part of the algorithms are, this creates the expansion of the dark energy. We also have things like the strings themselves. What in the world makes up the strings? Aren't they particles? Yes, they are. And we have things like neutrinos, where there's trillions upon trillions of neutrinos per second that are rushing through each of us. What makes them up? And then we have the bosons, the things that carry the electromagnetic energy that we call light. What makes them up? But you can see we're starting to come together with all the ingredients that would explain what we see around us.